do my makeup. You must. Yes. Hi guys. Like, do I really have to do my makeup though? Like, you must. Guess what? I am so late. Like, my photo shoot is at 1. My makeup artist ditched me. I look like my problems. Like a phone. My photographer is gonna come go on. Everything of mine is running late today. Like, and this week I have a busy week. I have 3 events. 3 events and 3 photo shoots. And I still look like my problems. I even have to change my hair, and put it back again. Mara Oksala yo. I know necessary right. This is why I'm always late. These days I said that I'm can't do good every day. Are you ready for the awards? Are you voting? That's the question. Yeah? And I go let's come to some questions or right, you know, yeah. Where's Mosey? He's not here. La vota now. Please stop. All I can say is Sinta Andile describes my life. And why do I have pimples? Why? No matter what, last time I check, I can't name you na zanga bangira or kinini. I find this cute. Mangihlale nawe kukupela gown wena lina siyaka. Mangihlale na So beautiful. Thank you. I saw you go Macau. Ooh, Mara. Do you only have one account? Yes, here. I dare you to go out with that. Oh no. Kirla let's come pizza mutol something lane. King Mary. I don't know. Asia got you. Everyone that's in the house, like my siblings, my parents. If I find your gown really, really homey, kitling. In fact, gown you understand what I'm saying? Yo, Rash, what is skincare routine? But like, you are wally. So anyway, guys, yesterday I went to what's this name? I went to what's this thing? Walk the talk. Question. Umbuzo usamile. Neki yakai. I mean, it was fun. I'm not saying neki yakai in that sense. You know what I'm saying? But neki yakai in the sense of now. It's this thing, man. My legs are very tired. Like, cause I did 8 kilometers. Yo. Did 8 kilometers, name. Give Nikia guy. In the morning, I couldn't wake up. I couldn't wake up. I couldn't walk. When I was going to man king. To be okay, Aki, Mara guys, Maralina wrong. You always ask us about people that we don't live with. Like if you see me acting with someone, I don't need to me. I get Mara easy. I hampi Mara I Mara chomi like to be biang cause listed line is to be ka let's fedi le chomi when I can't TV ya go ino idlala dilo tsa ning. Uskira so man. Mara why weza dilo tso di etsang? Akirati. Don't do that, man. No matter why you wait so no matter sharp. Or like, you know, with me, in most cases I get like fans. I appreciate you guys so much. Like you guys are not even my fans, you guys are family, man. You know what I'm saying? But you get someone that actually slaps me. Like I wanna even now, like ew, I don't attend funerals anymore like that. If I'm gonna attend a funeral, like because the last funeral I attended, like there was a group of ladies, So there was a group of ladies. Obviously I'm at a funeral. Like, can you look at the fact that I'm crying? I am crying. You understand what I'm saying? So like you can't fight me for not answering. If I don't want to answer you, I don't want to answer you. Unfortunately. Anyway, so these ladies like me, but like you can see that I'm at a funeral. I'm crying. I am not okay. Like I'm super emotional. And then you come, you like, can I please have a picture? King. Like I'm crying, like I'm really crying, like, and you can see that I'm emotional. Mara still wait. Can I have a picture? You know, I even had to like wipe my tears and then take a picture. You know, like I mean, I love you guys. You know what I'm saying? I get you also like feel. So you know, like I literally wiped my tears. So this is what happened. I wiped my tears. And then I took a picture. So even on the picture, you can clearly see that I was crying. My face is like swollen and I still have tears. I'm like, but I when I smile like, oh, kan mara king, listras wa king. wa smile wena ke la ke eng why we don't do that. Well, after that name ka smile guys, like ka smile. Like thing is, one thing about me, like I really love people, and I love the love that people give me, you know. Umuntu ngomuntu ngabantu sana ka smile lena ka smile kara ke fetso smile cuz I was like arentsamenwa ke re mara ke eng so kana smile kana mara ke sona ka nna cuz every day as if that's all. So after that they were taking out the thing in and whatever. So I leave because like I didn't want to leave when everyone leaves, because now I'd stay day by the cemetery and take pictures literally for the whole day. So I leave like when they are putting the thing. I leave. You'll say that like those ladies went to recruit. So did you get back to cry? Figo. Obviously. Anyway, those ladies went to recruit more people. Oh, thank you, Smoosh. They went to recruit more people. When they get there, I'm in my car, right? So like my windows are dimmed, right? So you can't really see like at all. You can't see unless if you do this. That's when you can see. Keep out. Hey man. Okamo. Why? No, because umbuzo umile. Why? Why Lira so? Why? Okamo, and I was like, so now, my friend Malebo calls me. I answer. Malebo. Guys, help me. Malebo's like, what's wrong? I'm like, bruh, people are knocking here and they want me to come out, and I'm literally super emotional right now. Like, I'm not in a state where I can take pictures. Maybe like later on until I'm like, Kabudi Vince no see, period. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I mean, the way police are phone. Namarale wrong, malfating, easy. Namarale wrong. Yo, I get but I mean, the way police are phone. And then others came. Okamo. Can I tell you what they did? So when I got in the car, I forgot to lock the doors, right? Cause like I just went in there so that I can just gather myself together. Yo, Billy. Now this specific woman, she opens the door. Did she not grab me out the car? And then when I ask her why she's grabbing me, she's like, hey, wait, repatala TV ho rule belle. O TV kana gala rena. O so se o leng sona because of rena. Because I'd never rena. I'm like, Mama, why? Kan mara king ki like kilile. Ki guys, like, you know, after she said those words, I was so defeated. And then I remember the only thing I said was, Mama, I'm still on a call. Can I just finish with my call and then I'll come outside and take pictures with everyone? Hi. So sharp. Then she goes outside, right? Like she leaves my hand and then she goes to call like her brothers and everything. So when she goes to call her brothers, I close the door. I close all doors. I locked my doors, guys. I was like, I'm not having this. I'm not having this. I'm not gonna suffer like this just because you guys pay TV. You can't do that on a public. You can't do that. I should have security. Link donate link bouncer because what a heck was one. So fine. I lock. Then I keep on talking to my friend. I'm like, brother, this lady is hollering me. Because my level heard that the lady was hollering me. I'm like, boy, like, why? Sharp. As if that's all. After that, they start checking out in the car. They try to open the doors. It's wakamo. How do you swangela when I patala TV? And then the other one actually told them, she's like, guys, you guys can't do what you're doing right now. You can see she's at the family funeral. She's crying. She's emotional. Arakhani, you guys want her to take pictures and whatever. You understand what I'm saying? But you can't treat her like that just because you guys pay. You guys pay for your TVs and whatever, right? You have to treat her with respect as well. And also give her the space to cry. I mean, there's still living space and whatever. If she's fine, when she's fine, she'll come and take pictures with you guys. You understand what I'm saying? But if she can't, she can't. Ah! Go to Gavin High, take a lake, you'll say. Take a goa. Take a goa. Make it goa. Potentially level of screenshot the page like a sharp. Aski maybe kisai neorasien. Mana neki go guys. Otherwise kisharp no. Oh, but also one thing that I don't like when I'm taking pictures with other people. So with me, people tend to touch my butt. Like whenever I'm taking pictures. Hence now, if someone asks for a picture, I get uncomfortable. You understand? Like immediately, because that's always says le. So I was at this other event, go Herzogsville, right? So we're there taking pictures with everyone. Did those boys not touch my butt? Kaufela. It's bono sambe we see communities born. Kuri, yeah. Same, Miraga, same. Yeah. Begui community is born. Bonke labantwana babafana baza bajijima lapha bazobamba sibhunu na. Abanye babiza abangani babo bazobamba sibhunu. Bonke basibamba sibhunu sami. Ili community sibhunu. Yo. Why is it legally sibhunu sami? Bathi wena umtswaki wena angithi wona mela matafula wena so sibamba sibhunu sawo. Oh, when I even told this other one, come shanakare. When nah. And that's always the case. Like, even yesterday, someone asked me to take a picture with him. Who's Bamba's Bunsam? Shoot him in a bonk. Has Habas Sonkelap. Bas Bamba's Bunsam. Hanyas kata minas bonusam nya senza so lazotini lena hanya senza so bonusam lizobamba what lizobamba what lizobamba yini because lonke lefuna ubamba sibonusam anyayithandi leyo man anyayithandi serious like and especially with like when I do school tours. Abafana bonke basikolo abamba sibhunu sami but asibamba sisifuna sibhunu sakho. Why? Umunye wathi ngile what's this Bloemfontein ngile gig wathi uthatha snap sami wambamba la ufika how tell sathi sibhunu ngathi tsipa ngamsheba ngithi wenzani buti mina ngicela isecurity habafuni wambamba la buti lo But yo, how montle yo, how montle ntsaki. How do you bambas boning it? At was bombing it. It's born some. Manje, inkinga yami, hanyenza sozibona sami. Sisali khona wasibona. Ngifuna ukuthi hanyenza sibona sami sibe straight. Hasifuni izibona sakhe nami sang disappoint asibona sami. Wambamba Butula eBloemfontein wathi tu bamba sibona wathi tsipa. Why? Ko ba le tlo go dira dio tsewa tle man. Tlo go dira dio tsewa. Ha! Nakedi like the kind of guys. You just made my day. Yo. Anyway, guys, nakedi kile botso get a rat. Has ukela namhlanje ngizoyenza vlog. Lifuna ukuthi nyenze vlog ngezulu. Don't go yet. Ngilhambi man. Uphotographer wami wayeza manje and hangiqeda ukugeza. Yabona? Ngilate. Ubhuti loya o collaboration hayaza lapha. Imele mina ngimele hayazi lapha. Hayazi. Amfonele antshela ukuthi waza kuphi. Hangitshela ukuthi how far. Anyazi ukuthi ngiyenza ngizohlaba mina ngicela hlaba ngimuyemele like this. Cause ngizoliyenza mina. Zulu vlog ngazoyenza ne? Ngawari ngazoyenza. Uzohlaba ya ngizofuna uhlaba manje. Hi Don Besto ngifuna uhlaba manje. Konje bathini lapha? Uyamazi uSinhle Andile. Wamiyazi akhuluma toxic relationship. Athi if you have to borrow money from someone else while you have a man, leave that man. Hallelujah. Yes. Nyadlala. Lala. Do you know Cindy Latu? Who doesn't know Cindy Latu? Hello? Gossip. Has gossip la fona gossip ngubani? Njela gama like ngizo gossip now. I just saw that. Guys, can we stop lying? Let's just tell the truth. Everything that Sinta Andile says, it's what we're going through. Like happy. Yeah, I get all. Lifuna sikhulume ngani? Okay, ngiyalitshela ukuthi ungalibuzi ngomuntu ungaliboni naye mina. How wayazi ukuthi awusahlole ungibona lo muntu layo mara wambuza ukuthi ukuphi. Hangihlali laye ngihlala in the house ekhaya. Umbuza ngabantu uhlala ungibona naye. How sangibona mos? Yo! Okay, ngikupela umswarelo gen. I want to think wayazi. Yazi lina lathanda ukukhulumisa abantu ngabantu. Like lathanda ukuthi hasikhulume ngubani bani. Mina ngilitshela ngithi hasifuna ukukhuluma naye because lina las tshela ngabantu lapha lithi sikhulume ngabo. Hasiqeda ukukhuluma nabo lina lithi screen record haqeda last trendisa hasingena mathateni halisiyemeleli lina. Okay, hey, abongile ngikupela umswarelo man. Have you met Cindy Latu? No. Hi, it's a geleke. Yo, Pemi. If nyacela ungitshela ne thetha Xhosa angixelele ukuthi if wandijonga uthi handi answerish i-question yakho umbuza la e-live wanibona ukuthi ngiyawumiza or umbuza question yakho Why usanza umbuza futhi unzu unjonga ukuthi hanyu Arab. Lokhu lala ngibuza lonke uphi halimboni naye mus. Jwale Ithi ke batla go bua Setswana because Sezulu sa pala man. Ke be ke bua Sezulu gape ke lapileng yena. Ke go le direla vlog ya Sezulu ne. Mara ga ke tle be ke bua Sezulu ha live because nyena lo rata go screen recordana and then la go trendisa motho a dire. After motho a etsa go trenda ga le moemelle le bua gore ke rena re morele gore a bue Sezulu. La go ntlogela ke itira statla ha pele ha lena ha ke a gana mme. Kona mutimbi wena. Eish. Kina. Try Afrikaans. What do you want me to say in Afrikaans? Like proud, baby girl. Bua Sesotho, batla ke bua Sesotho ke reng ngwaneso. Tswana se ska la setlhaka hi batho. Ke Motswana ke re. Itse nyena le ithare ke Mopedi. Ke itse go bua Sepedi a ke Mopedi. Ke Motswana. Ke tswaganyisa. Xitsonga ha to humisana pov ya of course Khutsho maja dintsha where is Khosi go gae it's ba ka tla wa mabote ahle ke besti o pov hage. Ha, speak it to the mic, baby. Venda, ha, vonda. Barmi, me, I'm so funny, what the hell? What? I'm actually so volatile. Vo baby. I'm so funny. Hey, gonti man. Figo, gati figo dira. No voix. I can also speak Shona. Khaliti mus, galbat butsa. Murise, true. Mama kazwa kanaka. Yes. I don't blame people for disappointing you. I blame yourself for trusting. Period. Khamu pedi ha. Isana ke tshoko ke tla ke go ya toothbrush ka ofela. Khuluma isiZulu oh hanyazi manyanqala ukukhuluma. Jolo for today. Na pelo ka ifedile battery. Na pelo ka ilapile. Tu wena lebu. O tsota u ha ganyisa. Spitor nya re over ring my sister. A ile nere over le re banyana ba Pitori ba re chatting na re tsoro dwatla ga yemo. Mana chief general period. Na pelo ka ifedile battery. Kela. Aqui dale. Okay. Bye bye, Shiluva Shamina. Hello, Ratan. Nigga, the Ratan. Hey. Yes. Iba ibulele ngasikhuwa nyane ke utlwe nyane. Hayi muntu ka anyu muntu wa muthu mina What goes around yeah. Okay, let me play one more song. Yeah, and get that sama. Kilibinele. I can see I am. One thing about me, I'm available for booking. Okay, I'm done, guys. I have a gig today. Yeah. Yo, DJ. At least I just wanted to show you guys how my DJing is, so you guys can tell me how I am. Something that I've just started trying. Gogo maraki ngodi live in bana bang. Gogo ne if you club ka DJ le ba phansi ba dumela send the fire mo. Send the fire go. Send the fire. Mal views. Guys, maka ka tsena mo live mo. Ona to afela. Ah, yes. Wena Fugo. Gogo are mal and automatically fire. Therefore, no one can stop me. Period. Anyway, guys, bye. People are waiting to use the. I want people to come. What? Bye, lady, kind of guys. Thank you so much for the support that you've been giving me. Munate, Fedile. Why am I camera? Because get away as 8 kilometers, my must go up the talk. So, like, anyway, just one. Let me catch my breath. Okay. One thing about me, I vote still yes. Guys, please vote for me. For Best Actress and Outstanding Newcomer, Yago Royalty Soapy Awards. Get lana yo, who papa? Who papa? Na get papi guys, get the humble up and as for close alina. Kupela le voteleng. star 120 star 320 20 star hash kimaka star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash. We did vote. Go to full vote hanch like every girl. Got star one. Someone write it so I pin it. Star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash. Sorry, bless my will on yourself. Star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash. Star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash. Okay guys, kupala lo voteleng ne ke a le leboha. Kore ke a le leboha. Tsore ke re bjang. Leboha. Are you single? Zama. Pin. Kill hair. Just voted now. Hanchi Sipati. Thank you so much, Mara. Hanchi. Let's push it. Let's push it. Press the screen. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Oh, wait. I forgot to tell you guys. After star 320 20 hash, you vote for number 11. I am number 11. I am number 11. I am number 11. I am number 11. Sorry, manish, guys. I need to give you life. Bye, guys. I love you so much. Yes. Okay. Kalikiri kya mine. And guys, look long hater on me. Yo guys, lo jeli blelang. Lo jeli blelang yar hater. Look long bully. La pile. Kulungile. Kulungile. Okay, kirile skambutsa mtho sambone lena. I want to screenshot. Ha, mbutse ke nne pila. Screenshot mo ka pila. Amohelang. A bona ka mokora tenta ba sa batho tšong. Ha ka foka sa motsao. O e rapila thata. Ke a leboha. Photographer ya tsena no so. Bye bye guys. I love you guys. Bye.